Finally, Poco is going to launch the new Poco F4 5G. If we talk about the design, on the front we have this large display with the punch hole camera in the middle, and on the rear panel the flat panel is here, and we have this large camera module with the triple camera. Now it is for the display. This one will be the 6.67 inch Full HD plus 120Hz panel, and this one is the E4 AMOLED display with Dolby Vision certification. So there is no doubt about the quality of display. We also get the high refresh rate here. Now it is the chipset. This one features the Snapdragon 870. 870 is a high-end smartphone and tablet SoC, and it was launched in last year. It features one of the prime core that clocks up to 3.2 GHz. We also have the additional 3 ARM Cortex A77 of 2.42 GHz and also 4X Cortex A55. Also this one is an octa-core chipset with 7nm technology. In terms of the GPU, we get here is the Qualcomm Adreno 650 with the clock speed of 670 MHz. So yeah, this one is not the latest chipset, but still it is powerful, and I think this one will be good enough for the smartphone. Now if we talk about the camera module, we have triple camera setup here, and the main sensor is 64MP main sensor. We also get the 8MP wide angle sensor, and the third one is 2MP macro sensor. Also you will get the OIS support. In terms of the front shooter, we have 20MP selfie shooter inside this punch hole cutout. Now in terms of the RAM and storage, we get here is the 12GB LPDDR5 RAM, which is really great. We get the latest LPDDR5 RAM, and also 12GB is good enough, and we also get the 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. Additionally, we also get the liquid cool 2.0 technology, and which helps in cooling of the smartphone while gaming. Now if we talk about the battery here, this one will feature the 4500 mAh of battery, and the charging speed will be 67 watts fast charging. So yeah, Poco F4 5G will be one of the most interesting smartphone in the recent market. If we talk about the launch, I think Poco is going to launch this one in the upcoming weeks. At least in the 1 or 2 week we will get the launch of Poco F4 5G. Now in terms of the pricing, the base variant will be 8GB RAM and 256GB of storage variant, and it will be around $400. So yeah guys, that's the all info we had today for the Poco's F4 5G. What do you guys think about this smartphone? Please comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you later.